Welcome back to CountyLine TV. It's been a while since you guys have had a vlogging video, I know. But we are finally going to be testing that thing on the nitrous today. We checked the system for leaks and tested the purge and stuff the other day, and it works great. We got jets in it. We got a 37 and a 23 in it, so that should be a 50 shot for this engine. I'm really excited. I'm stoked to see what this thing does on nitrous. But anyway, let's get right to it. Which, huh?
The oil filter wrench.
Alright, so go ahead and do a rip, no nitrous, and then we'll turn it on and we'll do another rip. Just for a comparison. Man, that sucker's loud.
Yeah, it's very loud.
This thing's got ear pro on. I wish I had mine, but it's in my wife's car and she's at work right now. Rip. Got back from his first rip there. Now we're gonna turn the nitrous system on, or open the bottle. Oh yeah, bottle's open, baby. He's arming the system right now. That was hard to get back in. You got the system armed? All right, son. All right, let me get your phone out too. Pull out in the road. We're making a TikTok right now, by the way. Watch my face when I'm up there. When I give you the nod, go ahead and purge it, and then once I take like a step back, rip. That sure sounded a little spicier.
See, I couldn't tell.
It's,
I mean, maybe the exhaust note was different, but I couldn't tell if it goes faster.
It's only on a 50 shot. To me, it looked like it pulled a little harder, a little longer. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So that's what a 50 shot should do. I guess I can't wait to hear his feedback. I can't wait for him to be like, yeah, that felt better, or man, I didn't notice.
We got to get his butt dyno.
Yeah, the butt dyno has to tell us. If he says that it wasn't a big change, on God, I will go grab 75 shot jets right now, and we'll do it again.
Well, 75 isn't dangerous, so.
No, he's got the fuel pump and the pressure regulator and everything to run enough fuel for like unlimited shot, really. He was just on the nitrous again.
Ooh.
He's not being very conservative, but I think he spent the $50 on this bottle knowing we were going to do testing with it. So
hopefully.
He must like it. All right. He looks like he's going straight for the garage. I guess we're done testing then. Shut her down immediately. Huh. I'm not going to stop filming because I really want his reaction on camera.
I hope nothing's gone wrong.
Well, I didn't see any smoke or anything. And it's super cold, so if his fan failed, it probably wouldn't even overheat.
It's just weird that it just pulled right in.
Yeah. Car shut off and everything, huh? Uh-oh. Well, first impressions of a 50 shot?
Felt a little bit more. It's really kind of hard to tell over the noise and all the violent shaking that it normally has.
Did it definitely feel like it pulled a little better, though?
Yeah, especially like off launch.
Hell yeah. So are we putting 75 shot jets in it, or?
I think it'll be fine where it's at for now. We can go up as we make sure everything.
We'll bring jets to the track.
That'll work.
Hell yeah.
Oh, Vanderbilt.
Yeah, it sounded great too. It didn't sound like it hiccuped or like bogged on the initial hit of the nitrous or anything, which would mean there was too much fuel. So it sounded great, really. Hopefully next time you're on the nitrous, it's a little warmer and the engine's a little warmer. That way we see some fireballs.
Barely red temp.
Yeah, I figured it'd still be pretty cool. I noticed you had your fan on too. But so
That's the first habit I want to have.
I guess that's literally all we wanted to do for this video was just like test this nitrous, and he said it did feel a little better, and the car didn't hiccup or bog or jump around or nothing when the nitrous hit, so that's a great thing. We wanted to make sure that
It was only 50 shots, so it's not.
yeah,
like
it's a
I was
baby
bumping.
shot. Yeah, super small shots. But hell, even on a small shot, if you sprayed the nitrous without any extra fuel or with too much extra fuel, it would oh, you remember when you had the nitrous system armed but there was no nitrous and it like bogged real bad?
Yeah.
That's way too much fuel. So but it didn't do
It
anything
felt-
crazy like that.
Where it felt like the best is on the hit, so that's the part that we kind of wanted to pick up on. 'cause
Exactly.
It's really
Yeah.
no torque.
Oh yeah. All right. Well, we'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to tell your mom to subscribe, and we're gonna be testing another nitrous car here very, very soon. Stay tuned for that.